Welcome, fam. Woke up feeling locked up in your hips or lower back? Like your body's here, but not fully ready to move? This is your release flow. We'll ease into the tight spots, reset your breath, and prep your whole back line for a stronger, softer day. Let's hit the mat. Tight hips, pull on your lower back. This stretch undoes all that tension right from the source. Lie on your back, right ankle crossed over. Pull the left thigh gently towards your chest. Keep the shoulder soft, jaw relaxed. You can feel a deep glute and outer hip release, a subtle stretch in the lower back. This clears out the tightness that builds from sitting, sleeping curled, or carrying too much tension. I promise you'll feel light after this. We're about to switch sides, and it might feel even tighter. Pull the thigh in 1 inch deeper. Hold for 5 slow seconds. Are you letting your breath do the work or holding on? That just opened your right hip. Now let's even out the left. We're not here for one-sided release. This is about full balance. Front to back, left to right. Same setup, left ankle over right thigh. Pull the right leg in, breathe into the left glute. Stay grounded. You can feel a deep stretch in the left glute and piriformis. A sense of release settling into the spine. This completes the balance in your hips, prevents lower back strain, and resets posture from the base up. I promise your whole pelvis will feel more free. This simple stretch improves pelvic alignment, affecting how you stand, walk, and even breathe. Let your hips stay heavy as you hold for 5 more seconds. Are you still fighting the tension or softening into it? That just unlocked your hips. Now let's free up the lower back. When your spine feels stiff, this gives it the hug it needs to let go. Sit tall, bend your right knee and hug it towards your chest. Keep your spine tall and breathe steady. You can feel a stretch through the lower back, a gentle compression in the hip capsule. Knee hugs release tension across your lumbar spine and glutes, 2 zones most people neglect. I promise you'll feel more mobile in your walk and posture. Next, we'll hug both knees in for a deeper spinal reset. Sit taller and draw the knee closer for 5 seconds. Is your back lengthening or rounding under pressure? That just resets you right. Now let's balance it out. Now we bring it all together because your body deserves balance. Pull your left knee in towards your chest, wrap your arms around your shin. Sit tall and gently round forward. You're going to feel a full lumbar release, a calm settling through the belly and hips. This stretch settles your nervous system and centers your body. I promise you'll stand up feeling lighter and grounded. This position also helps relieve digestive tension. Yep, your gut benefits too. Can you stay tall and still for 5 deep seconds? Are you letting the hips rest or trying to force a fold? That just closed the loop. Now let's stretch the full line. The hamstrings hold more than tightness. They hold emotion, fatigue, and strain. Let's release all of it. Legs extended, inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale to fall from the hips. Rest the hands wherever they land. Feet, shins, or ankles. You're going to feel your hamstring lengthening, lower back softening, a deep sense of surrender. This stretch rewires your nervous system, increases flexibility, and brings peace to the entire posterior chain. I promise you'll feel more connected from heel to head. This softness you feel now, it's a rhythm you want to carry into your day. Can you melt your chest 1 inch lower? 5 seconds. Hold it there. Are you folding for depth or folding for breath? That just told you deep release. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. All delivered to your email inbox. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.